Welcome back, style enthusiasts. Have you ever walked into an optometry store, seen a gorgeous pair of glasses on the display, but when you put them on, they just don't look right? You are not alone. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the definitive guide to selecting flattering eyewear. Before we look at colors or brands, we have to talk about the golden rule. To find the most flattering glasses, you must match your frame shape to your specific facial geometry. It is all about balance. Let's break down exactly what that means for your unique face shape, starting with the most versatile, the oval face. Oval faces are balanced and slightly longer than they are wide. If this is you, you've hit the eyewear jackpot. Most frames look great on you. To maintain that natural balance, look for frames that are as wide as the broadest part of your face. Next up, round faces. These have soft curves with similar width and length and a rounded chin. Contrast is key here. Choose angular, rectangular frames to add definition and make your face appear longer and thinner. Square faces are characterized by a strong jawline and a broad forehead, with the width and length being roughly equal. To soften those strong angles, reach for round or oval frames. Thinner frames can also help balance the jawline. Heart-shaped faces are widest at the top and narrowest at the bottom. Think wide forehead and high cheekbones. The goal is to minimize the width of the top of the face. Try frames that are wider at the bottom to add some weight below. Rimless or light-colored frames are also excellent choices for heart shapes, as they keep the look airy and balanced. The diamond face is the rarest, narrow at the forehead and jawline with broad, high cheekbones. Focus on highlighting your eyes and softening cheekbones. Oval or cat eye frames work wonders for diamond shapes. Now that we've found your shape, let's talk color. Your skin tone is just as important as your face geometry. If you have a warm skin tone, go for colors like honey, olive, and gold. Stay away from pastels and stark blacks. For cool skin tones, silver, blue, and purple are your best friends. These will make your complexion pop. Finally, consider your lifestyle. Are you in a corporate environment, or are you an active athlete? For a professional look, stick to conservative frame shapes and colors like gunmetal, brown, or black. If you're a creative soul, don't be afraid to show your personality with bold colors and unique textures. Don't forget the fit. The bridge should sit comfortably on your nose without pinching or sliding down. And check the temple length. They should curve comfortably behind your ears to keep the frame secure. When you find the right pair, you'll feel it instantly. They won't just improve your vision, they'll boost your confidence. To recap, match your face shape for balance. Choose colors that complement your skin tone. And pick a style that fits your life. Don't be afraid to try on dozens of pairs until you find the one. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more style tips and let us know in the comments. What's your favorite frame style? We'll see you in the next one. Stay stylish. Finding the perfect pair of glasses is a blend of geometry and style. Let's quickly find your match. It starts with your face shape. Oval faces are versatile, while round and square shapes benefit from contrasting frames for balance. Next, check the sizing on your frame arm. The lens and bridge measurements are the secret to a comfortable, centered fit. If your glasses slide, look for a low bridge fit or adjustable nose pads to ensure they stay secure all day. Finally, choose lightweight materials like titanium and ensure your eyes are centered. Don't forget the smile test. Take your time, choose what makes you feel confident, and enjoy your perfect new pair. Thanks for watching. Ever wondered why some glasses look amazing on the shelf but just off on your face? It's all about finding balance through contrast with your unique face shape. Today, we're breaking down the ultimate guide to picking the perfect frames. First, let's look at round faces. These have soft curves and equal width and length. The goal here is definition. You want angular frames to add structure. Rectangular or square frames work wonders to elongate your look. Avoid small, round frames. They'll only emphasize the circular shape. Next is the square face, defined by a strong jawline and broad forehead. To soften those sharp angles, go for frames with rounded edges. Round and oval frames are your gold standard, providing a beautiful contrast. Sit them high on your nose bridge to draw attention upward. Next up, we have oval and heart-shaped faces. If you have an oval face, congratulations. You have naturally balanced proportions, meaning oval faces can wear almost anything. You should feel totally free to experiment with most styles, though you do want to avoid frames that are excessively narrow, as they can throw off your natural symmetry. Now, what about heart-shaped faces? A heart face typically features a wider forehead that tapers down to a narrower chin. To balance out that wider forehead, Heart faces look absolutely fantastic in bottom-heavy designs, aviators, or classic cat-eye frames. These styles draw the eye downward and create a beautiful sense of proportion. Then there's the rare diamond face with dramatic cheekbones and a narrow forehead. The goal is to highlight your eyes and soften those high points. Cat-eye frames are a top choice as they follow your natural lift. Semi-rimless styles also help define the eyes without overpowering you. Once you have the shape, don't forget the fit. Check those 3 numbers on the temple. They represent lens width, bridge width, and temple length for a perfect seal. Also consider skin tone. Warm tones shine in gold and olive, while cool tones look stunning in silver, black, or blue. And remember, your eyes should always be centered within the lenses. With the right frames, you don't just see better, you look and feel better too. Find your perfect match and wear those specs with confidence. Choosing the right glasses is about more than just vision. It's about finding the perfect match for your face shape. Whether you have a round, square, oval, heart, or a unique diamond or rectangle face shape, there's a frame for you. Today, we're going to break down which styles will highlight your best features and bring balance to your look. Let's dive into our first face shape, the round face. Round faces are typically characterized by soft curves and similar width and length. To add definition and contrast, you'll want to go for angular or rectangular frames. These styles help elongate your face and make it appear thinner and sharper. Next up, we have the square face shape. Square faces feature strong jawlines and broad foreheads with similar proportions. The key here is to soften those strong features. Round and oval frames are your best friends. They add a nice balance and help draw attention away from the sharp angles of the jaw. Now, let's talk about the oval face shape. Oval faces are often considered the most balanced, with slightly wider cheekbones and a narrower forehead and chin. The great news is that almost any frame style works for you, from bold geometric shapes to classic rounds. Just make sure the frames aren't too oversized, as they might overwhelm your natural symmetry. Moving on to the heart face shape. Heart faces are widest at the forehead and taper down to a narrower chin. To balance the forehead's width, choose frames that are wider at the bottom or have lower set temples. Rimless styles and aviators are also excellent choices for creating a more proportional look. And that brings us to our final categories. Let's not forget our diamond and rectangle face shapes. Diamond faces are unique, characterized by striking cheekbones and a narrower forehead and jaw. To really highlight those beautiful cheekbones, you will want to select oval, rimless, or cat-eye styles. For rectangle faces, the goal is slightly different. Because the face is longer, you want to help reduce the appearance of that length. The best way to do this? Go for oversized or wide frames. The extra width breaks up the vertical lines of your face, creating a highly flattering look. Whether it's angular for round, round for square, or oversized for rectangle, the right frames are out there. The most important thing is that you feel confident and comfortable in what you wear. Don't be afraid to try on different styles and see what feels like you. Thanks for joining us for this guide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us your favorite frame style in the comments. See you in the next one, and stay stylish. Finding the perfect pair of glasses isn't just about style, it's about geometry. Today we're diving into how to match frames to your unique face shape for a look that's perfectly balanced. The secret is the rule of opposites. Your glasses should provide what your face naturally lacks. By adding contrast, you create a harmonious look that enhances your best features. Let's start with round and square faces, which perfectly illustrate our core rule of balance. If you have a round face, your goal is to add structure and definition to your features. Because of this, round faces benefit immensely from angular, rectangular, or geometric frames. These sharp lines contrast beautifully with soft facial curves. On the flip side, if you have a square face, you already have those strong, sharp angles. To balance this out, square faces are softened by round or oval styles. By choosing frames that curve, you gently soften the natural sharpness of your jawline and forehead. Next up, the oval face. If this is you, consider yourself lucky. This is the most versatile shape. Almost any frame style works, from classic aviators to bold, oversized designs. The only thing to watch for is scale. Ensure the frames aren't wider than the broadest part of your face. For heart-shaped faces, where the forehead is wider and the chin is narrower, we look for bottom-heavy styles. Frames that are wider at the bottom or have light, airy colors help minimize the width of the top of the face. This adds visual weight to the lower part of your face, creating that perfect equilibrium we're after. Diamond faces are characterized by broad cheekbones and narrower foreheads and jawlines. Try rimless or cat-eye frames to accentuate your cheekbones and keep the look delicate. Beyond shape, the color of your frames should complement your skin tone and hair color. Warm tones like gold and tortoiseshell suit spring and autumn skin, while silver and black suit cool tones. If you're not sure about your shape, a simple mirror test or measuring the width of your forehead and jaw can help. Remember, these are guidelines, not rigid rules. The most important thing is how you feel. Choose the pair that makes you feel confident. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, are you tired of frames that just don't feel right? Well, today we're solving that. Choosing the perfect glasses is a science, and I'm going to break it down for you step by step. From face shapes to color theory, we'll make sure your next pair of frames is your best one yet. First, let's talk about geometry. If you have a round face, you want to add some angles. Look for rectangular or square frames that provide a nice contrast to your soft features. For square faces with strong jawlines, do the opposite. Go for round or oval frames. These softer shapes will help balance your proportions and give you a more relaxed look. If you have a heart-shaped face, try frames that are wider at the bottom or go for classic aviators. Cat-eye styles are also a fantastic choice to complement the natural taper of your face. And if you're an oval shape, lucky you. Most frames will work, so feel free to be bold. The goal is always to create a harmonious balance between your frames and your features. Now, let's talk about size. A great style means nothing if the glasses don't actually fit. You want to measure your hinge-to-hinge width. This ensures the frames don't pinch your temples. Frames that are too wide will constantly slide down, while too narrow ones will be uncomfortable. Pro tip: look at the numbers inside your current glasses. They'll give you a great starting point. Those 3 numbers, eye size, bridge width, and temple length, are your secret to a perfect fit. Keep those numbers handy when you're shopping online or in-store to narrow down your search. Next up is the bridge fit. This is the part of the frame that rests right on your nose. If you have a high bridge, look for a keyhole style. It sits higher and offers more space. A saddle bridge is great for those with lower bridges as it distributes the weight evenly. The goal is to have the bridge sit flush against your nose without any gaps or pinching. Once you've got the bridge right, the rest of the frame will almost always fall into place. Finally, let's talk about the fun part: color. Choosing the right color isn't just about your favorite shade. It is about matching your skin's undertones. If your skin has cool undertones, you'll look best in sharp colors. Like black, silver, blue, or rich jewel tones, these will make your features pop beautifully. If you lean warm, choose colors like gold, tortoiseshell, or red to enhance that natural glow. Neutral undertones? You've hit the jackpot. Most colors work for you, so feel free to experiment. And there you have it, a complete breakdown of how to find the perfect pair of glasses. Remember, match your geometry, check that bridge fit, and complement your undertones. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe for more style deep dives, and tell me your face shape in the comments. See you next time.